After 2008, the recession, a big hole was left in Birmingham, and we set out to fill that with a full-service aviation company.
We are seeing a lot of business customers use private air travel as an efficient tool to move their teams from point A to point B and back to point A, all in the same day, and it improves quality of life. Our maintenance services include general aviation maintenance, airline maintenance, avionics, and interiors.
The easiest part of buying an aircraft is buying an aircraft. The day-to-day operation and maintaining the pilots, the maintenance, the programs that come along with it, they're all a headache. You as the aircraft owner don't want to spend your time. You want to take time with your family, your business. That's my business, is to take care of your aircraft for you. So our charter management team can manage it for you.
Where we've come from in the last 3 years, very telling. I'm very excited about the future of our company.